Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram chat theme option not showing on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're seeing the issue that your Instagram chat theme option is not showing, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply go to your app store here and you have to go for search and search for Instagram and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app. After updating, you have to simply go back and you have to relaunch your Instagram app by closing it from your recent apps and then reopening or relaunching this. So it will fix the issue. If it doesn't work for you, you have to try to make a force restart to fix minor glitches. And how to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up and volume down. Press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, simply wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone and here you have to retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you can try to offload your app or you can also try to delete the app. Simply go for settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage here, look for the Instagram app and you just have to try to offload your app or you can also try to delete apps after offloading or deleting. It will fix if there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app. It will be fixing this step and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.